In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use airline credits on Expedia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to properly see and use your airline credits is to log into your account and access your account page. Once you go to your account page, you will have a lot of options here. From the menu at the top of the screen, select Coupons and Credits. It will take a while to load and you might be redirected, but once you are redirected, you will be able to see all of the coupons and credits that you have. As you can see, my account doesn't have any, but this is how it should look like for you if you have any airline credits available. As you can see, they are divided by name. These credits are non-transferable and they are tied to specific airlines. Before you actually select Use Now, as I've highlighted, I recommend you take a look on the articles at the left side of the screen, especially the How to Use Airline Credits one. When you click that option, you will be redirected to this page. This page is an extensive explanation on how these credits operate and how you may use them. I recommend you take your own time to read through all this information, but to summarize, like I said, these credits are non-transferable, they are tied to your own account, and you will be able to use them on the specified airline. So you cannot use credits from one airline in another one. With that in mind, select the Use Now option under any of the available options of these credits, and as long as you book your flight through Expedia, these credits will be applied on the checkout page. I hope I was able to help you on how to use airline credits on Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.